Hey y'all, B-Dog Jr. back again. I know it's been a while since my last video. I kind of messed up. I did a YouTube no-no by using some video off of television. It was from Saturday Night Live back in 1984 of the rock band The Cars. So anyway, I kind of messed up there, and YouTube gave me a copyright infringement for that. Thanks a lot, YouTube. Anyway, I'm out here in the barn sweeping the floor. I don't know if you can tell by how much stuff is on the floor here as to how long it's been since I've swept. I would say about 6 months or maybe 6 years. You can see the little Swiss cheese looking boards there. They came out from up there where I made my new vent windows for the garage, and you can see the pieces of diamond plate that I cut off to make the storm shutters. That's the outside view of the storm shutters. I don't know if you can see the light reflecting off of the diamond plate in there. I kind of like that. Anyway, I've been sweeping to make a pathway to get Suzy out of here. She wants to come out and play finally. Here's Suzy. Yep. I think I'm going to put the original muffler that came with the header that I bought. It's Yoshimura, however you say it. It used to be a long muffler. It was too dang quiet for me, so I had to cut some length off of there, make it louder. You know, loud pipes save lives. And it actually came with this insert to make it even quieter, in case that was too loud. But it was pretty quiet without the insert. I'll show you guys the tip. I like the Yoshimuras. I had one on my 750R Ninja. So I bought this one. They used to come with a brass tag on there, and the thing with the Japanese letters were embossed into the brass. And guys like to polish the brass and make it look like gold. Unfortunately, this is aluminum tag. I guess budget cuts, you know. Boosa, boosa, boosa. But this is the hot body racing muffler here. That was actually made for a 1000 Ninja. So I had to get an adapter for it from a muffler shop. That'll make me that special adapter to fit on there. Anyway, this thing's pretty loud. I'll show you guys a clip next time when I get her out of the garage of just how much louder that one is than this one, even with its new shorter length. But